there! Let me show you how others just like you are using Scoop to turn their data into instant answers. So let's get into it.
My team just sent me our quarterly customer churn report as a Google Sheet. Instead of manually sorting through pivot tables, let me show you how I analyze it. I connect Scoop to Google Sheets in an instant. Just connect to your file. So we'll go ahead and go up here and select New Dataset. And you can see all the different data sources that we can connect to. So we see Google Sheets right here. And we are going to have to connect to our account. So let's go ahead and do that. And we are connected. Head back to Scoop, and we'll open up which workbook we want. You can see all the different files in here. So I actually have already selected the one that I want. So we'll go ahead and close this. You can see our sales churn right here. So we'll use this one now. We'll pop over to our chat with data. And we'll start a new session right here. So what's our first prompt? Why don't we start with count customers by contract type? And turn status. Here's the problem. Month-to-month customers are churning at 42%. That's a 15 times higher rate than 2-year contracts. With more than half our base on month-to-month terms, we're bleeding customers. Okay, let's ask another question here. So average monthly charges for churned birth, non-churned customers. Here's what makes it worse. The customers we're losing are paying 21% more than the other ones who stay. We're not losing low-value customers we don't care about. We're losing our best accounts. Now the question becomes, why are our highest-paying customers leaving? Is it service quality, price sensitivity? We could keep digging to find out. Your data has the answers. You just need to ask the questions. Ready to try it? Check out Scoop Analytics.